Welcome to the final segment of our online course on creating video essays for film criticism. In this section, we'll dive into the exciting world of video editing using CapCut, a go-to editing software for creators across various social media platforms. It has an exceptional performance on mobile devices and a range of features. CapCut has become immensely popular among content creators. And if you do know CapCut, then you should also know that it offers an app for Windows and Mac workstations as well. As we delve into the editing process, you will learn how to utilize CapCut's features effectively, bringing your film criticism to new heights. Say goodbye to complicated workarounds and embrace the simplicity of editing with CapCut. Let's unlock the full potential of your video essay and create a polished and a captivating final product. Get ready to embark on this editing journey like no other with CapCut as your trusted companion.